What's up, my pungios? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to go over the tough case for the folks at ESR. This is for your iPhone 16 Pro Max to be able to give you an all-around 7 times the military grade protection as well as insulation from mishaps. It's a great way to be able to couple it also with MagSafe technology and the nice hollow lock kickstand case so that you can stream, you can scroll, make content, watch while still having an awesome, robust, all-around tough case. They make it out of polycarbonate material, which gives you a nice ergonomic grip, an extra protection around the corners for those instances that you have a mishap. You've got awesome magnets that'll give you a strong connection to be able to Qi2 charge as well as use it for other purposes. Foldable stand protects the camera as well as giving you a strong hinge to be able to hold up your phone, to stream, to scroll, you name it. With that said, the folks at ESR did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Let's go ahead and review the phone case, see what you're getting yourself into, and see if this is something that you're interested in. All right, going over the tough case with stash stand. This is an easy unboxing. It's made out of materials that can be recycled, so if you feel to do so, go ahead. What I'm really impressed about this case here is it's got multi-layers. There's 3 layers here. The first layer is this really cushioned silicone rubber on the inside that's gonna give you like a memory foam feel. Then you've got your TPU material that's gonna give you the insulation, and then the hardened polycarbonate plastic that's gonna give you the 3rd level of up to 7 times military drop grade. They kind of fit into each other. You don't necessarily need to take them apart, but I just kind of wanted to show you. They will sandwich together seamlessly, which is nice. Coming up close, as you can see, you've got the nice protection here with MagSafe. You've got cutouts and protectors here on your I/O, which is nice. You do have a cutout here for the camera control, power button. Backside has MagSafe with a kickstand case, which is really nice and robust. On the other side here, you've got your action button, volume rocker. Really clean. You don't need to take it apart. You can just go ahead from the bottom to the top, just throw it in there. It is gonna give you some extra thickness, probably up to 1/4 inch. As you can see here, I do have one of their tough tempered glass that doesn't get impacted by the case. It's really clean and nice in the hand. I like that. You can see the extra protection around the edges for that TPU bumper. Buttons are nice and clicky. You still have access to the camera control, activating your camera and still being able to zoom in and use all the different functions and features of this without being interrupted. You can see here that you've got MagSafe, which is no problem. It starts to charge at the maximum wattage, which is nice with the Apple MagSafe charger. You can throw on a Qi charger, which is from ESR as well. This is a great product to have on your desk for workflow, charging at the maximum wattage. Or lastly, here you can use something that's a little more content creation friendly. This is the SnapGrip Pro from the folks at ShiftCam. They've got the MagSafe Snap series, which is great. You've got a shutter button as well if you wanted to couple it with both. And then you even got a 5,000 milliamp charging at 15 watts as well. I like that. Look at that. Super clean. Kickstand case is great. Sets up. Can hold you just fine. You can stream, watch TikTok, scroll, you name it. Lots of different functions there. Really clean in the hand. I like that. With that said, the folks at ESR did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Really pleased here with how this phone turned out. High quality, nice and ergonomic, really protective around the corners with this nice silicone TPU material. The polycarbonate core gives it a nice robust grip as well as having full function of MagSafe and this really cool kickstand case, be able to hold your phone up, scroll, stream, make content, you name it. With that said, my name is Andy. This is Tech Influence. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.